With the basic to advanced toggle in the payments option, you can now control the number of details presented to you. You can also quickly toggle between basic and term view with a simple swipe. Let me show you how it works. To get to the payment details, tap on the purchase calculator card and make sure your home price and your down payments are correct. Once you're satisfied with the loan amount, tap on the mortgage payments row. In this view, you can select the active payment frequency. More importantly, you can see the actual amounts for each payment frequency in one screen. In the basic view, you can also see the principal and the interest components for each payment frequency. Now, if you were to change the interest rate, you would see that the amounts would change in real time. To demonstrate how fast it actually works, I'll use the slider at the bottom to quickly change the interest rate. Because the slider is currently focused on the rates row, it'll change the interest rate as I move it from left to right. For a more accurate number, tap on the interest rate and use the keyboard. Now while we're here, I'm also going to change the rate type from a variable to a fixed by using the toolbar right above the keyboard. I will also change this term from a 1-year to a 5-year term. Now we're done. If you wanted to see details for the term, simply move the basic view over to a term view. Here you get to see the term interest, if there were any term savings, as well as how much of a mortgage was paid during the term and what the balance would be by the end of term. In an accelerate biweekly option, you can also see term savings. And if you were to move the term over to a total, you can also see how much time savings you would get with this payment option. In this scenario, it was 2 years and 10 months of the life of the mortgage. To add extra payments to this payment frequency, you can use the plus button. And if you wanted to export a report, use the export button in the top right corner. I will cover these in a different tutorial. Hope you found this one useful.